I'm Mark Fichtner, and today I'll show you how easy it is to prepare a steak using the Sous method. This technique is one of the techniques used in the best restaurants, and as you will see, it is fast, easy, and with perfect results. We'll need a Lauben Sous stick, a pot with a minimum water depth of 11 centimeters, then a vacuum or resealable bag, a good grill pan, and of course, great meat. We've got some nice ball tip here, which is part of the beef rump. Put it in the vacuum bag. Add pepper, no salt. We'll salt the meat at the end when we are browning it. We can add some lovely butter here, or olive oil. Now add the herbs and garlic. Put in there about 2 cloves of garlic, herbs or thyme. If you like rosemary, you can add it like this. And this is how we vacuum it nicely. Steaks are perfectly vacuumed. Now we prepare a water bath, so we set the temperature. I want to make the steaks medium rare, so I've set the temperature to 54 degrees Celsius for an hour and a half. The bath is ready, so we can put the meat in the water. The device has alerted us that the set time has passed. Remove the meat. And another advantage of this technique is that you can prepare it in advance, so we can cook the meat, take it out, cool it, put it in the fridge, and we can grill it in a few days. So take the meat out of the bag, add salt on both sides. Here I have a hot pan. Add oil, and we can fry it. Since the meat is cooked already through its depth, it is enough to just nicely brown it. While I'm frying the steak, I've prepared roasted potatoes and grilled tomatoes. We can still add a little salt to the steak and drizzle on some olive oil. Out of interest, I'll show you the difference between steaks. Here in the Sous one, you can see how beautiful the structure is over the whole width of the meat. You can find more recipes at lauben.com, and there's nothing more to say than bon appetit!